I shared with you guys yesterday, first time in 40 years, our generation is experiencing inflation for the first time. And that's the reason why everyone is just trying to grapple, what do we look at? How do we understand this? So I'm going to come to the data side of things in a short while. Let me cover these two extremes first. So you have one extreme, they love to talk about fear, the road to hell, and just very creepy about doom and gloom and everything about it. Right or wrong, you decide, all right? But I think my perspective of that is a much more sexier story to sell and for people to strike fear into the hearts of mind. To strike fear into the hearts of men and women is a much more easier proposition, all right? So this group will kind of gather together and sing the same prophecy, and you eventually somehow in their own group become a self-fulfilling prophecy.